crazy contour. Let's do it. Take my time. Now for the lines, and try not to breathe too much. Why am I getting nervous? So I'm just doing frown lines either side, the concealer lines. It's looking pretty good so far, but we've got a long way to go. I think I've decoded the pattern. The trick to this is you gotta start from one end of the brown and bring it all the way around to the next side of the brown above, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna start from here, going all the way around, joining it up here. We've got the first part down. Now I started to add some colour with the blush and the contour. Oh, this is never ending. Guys, look how much progress I've made. It took me like 1,000 hours, but it's turning out a lot better than I thought it would. The final line. Be honest, guys, how did I do? Time to blend this out. I'm gonna drench my face in setting spray. I'm gonna spray my brush too. Start off with the blush first. Oh, it's blending pretty well. Blending that contour, cheekbones. I've switched to a smaller brush for the nose. Moving on to the concealer. Blend out the face. Oh, I should have done a darker shade around my mouth because that looks ashy. And then the forehead. Blend, 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 blend. Finish up with the nose. Okay, here's the end result, guys. Honest thoughts, what do you think? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.